going on, everybody? We're gonna go Railfanning Missoula today, go check out the yard, anything else we see. I think there's still some Montana Rail Link power lingering around. And yeah, let's go see what we can find. Old SD40.
He's looking a little dirty there. That lower part of his blue is not as new as it was the last time I saw him.
Yeah, I don't think the BNSF washes their locomotives too often now that it's in its care.
Kind of noticed that a few times.
They learned that from the UP. Building the outbound gas train that runs up to, I think, Thompson Falls or somewhere near it. And then right here we got some really old passenger cars, which is cool too. 2-for-1 special. Spokane MRL 103. Go check these out real quick while that job's switching. An old diner car named Ponderay. Sounds like they got them plugged in. Got some air running.
So this is the baggage.
Is that the baggage?
This looks like an early viewliner.
Yeah. Those old trucks. Those are pretty cool.
Well, this is some serious springs.
Yeah. This ain't no Toyota.
No.
Shoving the cars back into the yard. This is the what is it? West side of the Missoula yard. There it is. Just took my brain to register for a second. Locomotive has sand.
That's for improving traction, right?
Yep. Makes a big difference when you're going up grades.
Do they sand automatically or do you sand yourself?
The new locomotives sand automatically, but the older ones like this one, you'd have to manually turn on. It's just a button on the control stand in there.
You're a giant locomotive.
Yeah. SD45 actually. That's cool.
Oh wow. Huh, I wish I had my camera out.
Where? Alright, we're gonna try to get a view of this thing before we get blocked out by a cut of cars up here. We're gonna get it just in time. AGPX SD45 car body. shoreline rebuild. Now it's gonna be blocked. Haven't seen one of them in a minute. Pretty cool. Local GP40 still hanging out. Pretty cool. That's an American shot right there, huh?
All American, yep.
Yeah. Flag waving in the breeze. Pretty cool. An old caboose just hanging out. This is the old, where the Roundhouse used to be here in Missoula. There's still a turntable. Still works. So that's pretty neat. And back down that way is the fueling rack.
Yeah, I don't feel a need myself to
Pretty cool. Northern Pacific.
get a steam locomotive for my collection.
1356 Northern Pacific. My buddy here just said there's a plan to restore this thing, but they're having a hard time because all the birds are getting into the cab. If you look closely, you can see why.
I thought he said they had
Bird crap everywhere.
to keep them out of it.
Pretty cool. MRL power on the rear of the BNSF coal train. Probably not going to see that every day.